Video chart presentation at OncoSec Medical. It's a bulletin board listed company trading our ticker ONCS. Going to keep this chart on watch, try and break back through a resistance point right here around 80 cents. Nice up week last week. Ended strong with 3 straight green closes. It's a very low volume play, 17,000 shares traded. But if it tries to break out, I'll be interested to see if volume picks up. I'm going to see some nice uptrends going on with the indicators. Stocks made a strong move down here in December, somewhere around a dime, pushing all the way back up to the 70-80 cent area. So naturally, going to see a strong uptrend in the MACD, uptrend in the PPO. ADX is up pretty high. It's showing it's in a strong trend. But the positive DI has retraced and looks like it's trying to curl its way back upward. Short-term money flow, the 7, really stretching away from the 14 and 21. At this point, what I look for is a retrace for it to start to move sharply back up. Accumulation distribution, again, a nice firm uptrend. Reiterated by a shaking money flow, holding in the green, showing buying pressure strong. CCI, we talk about this a lot of times per definition. Buy point, break a 100. Sell point, break back through 100. It's a buy again by definition of the CCI if it makes that break back through 100 again. Full still retraced, but holding right around 50. Looks like momentum's trying to shift back into the play. Tricks the lagging indicator. The main reason I leave this indicator up is before a stock makes a move, looking into an uptrend back towards 0. And of course, that's what was going on with this play. Right through there, that would have been a given indication it's potentially going to try and make a stronger move. RSIs still holding up around 70, showing momentum strong in this play. So kind of what to be expected with those lower indicators. Now what I'd look for in this, real deep retrace, I'd look for some strong support around 40 cents. In the more near term, I'd look to the lower part of this little cup area, right in the mid-50s. That should serve as a support. I'd want to see it hold that. If it can't hold that, the odds of it coming down here and testing 40 are pretty good. So I'd have my eye on 55 cents. It's looking particularly bullish because the 50-day moving average is now turning up. You can see it's a pretty new trading issue. 200 days just now becoming defined. The price per share is trying to push above it. And what I see is a pretty good area of resistance right there around that 200-day, tying back into an old support and resistance level back here in July and August. And the fact that even though it did pop to $1, it came promptly back down a couple weeks ago. So I'd look for this spot around 80 cents to be pretty tough. And in general, this whole area from 80 cents to $1 will probably be pretty tough for it. Because $1 is commonly a psychological barrier. You can see it was a firm area of resistance. And as I just mentioned, bounced off a bit a couple weeks ago. But that's a pretty nice upside, even from 80 to $1, adding 20 cents a share. Especially with this closing at 75. That's almost a 50% move to go up here and challenge the $1 mark. If it could break through that, I'd be looking for resistance up here around $1.50, trying to put itself into a blue sky breakout with taking out 1-year highs. Right now, I'm focused on what's going on with the volume. I want to see that pick back up. I want to see it take out 80 cents and see how it reacts if it can push on $1. Didn't traded stocks like this can be a little tougher to gauge because they can move very easily with little pressure. But technically speaking, this is a pretty sound chart and worth a look this week. As always, it's merely my interpretation of the ONCS chart. Thank you for watching and trade smart.